August is an excellent time for gardeners in USDA Hardiness Zone 6A and above to plant vegetables that will thrive in the cooler months of late summer and autumn. The following are 10 common vegetables that you can plant now, along with instructions on whether to start them from seeds or seedlings. At number 1, lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season favorite that grows quickly and thrives in late summer's mild temperatures. It should be grown from seeds directly in the garden. Lettuce is simple to plant, and with consistent watering, you can expect fresh leaves in 30 to 60 days. 2. Spinach. Spinach thrives in cooler temperatures, making it an ideal vegetable for autumn. Plant the spinach seeds directly in the garden. This fast-growing green is ready to harvest in 40 to 50 days. Maintain consistent moisture and consider using partial shade to protect it from the remaining summer heat. On number 3, turnips. Turnips are a versatile root vegetable that can produce both roots and greens. They are best grown from seeds directly in the garden. Turnips mature in 50 to 60 days, making them ideal for a fall harvest. They prefer well-drained soil and full sun, but can tolerate some shade. 4. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables, usually ready to harvest in 25 to 30 days. They should be planted directly from seeds in the garden. Radishes thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, and their rapid growth makes them ideal for multiple plantings throughout the fall. On number 5, carrots. Carrots are a cool season root vegetable that should be grown from seed directly in the garden. Although they take about 70 to 80 days to mature, the cooler fall temperatures make them sweeter. Make sure to thin the seedlings to avoid overcrowding as they grow. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is ideal for the cooler temperatures of autumn. For best results, plant broccoli seedlings in August. This method enables the plants to mature before the first frost. Broccoli thrives in full sunlight and should be spaced appropriately to ensure healthy growth. 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, like broccoli, should be planted as seedlings in August to ensure a full harvest before the cold weather arrives. Cauliflower requires consistent moisture and fertile, well-drained soil to grow properly. Starting with seedlings increases the likelihood that this vegetable will reach full maturity. At number 8, beets. Beets are best grown from seed directly in the garden. They mature in about 50 to 60 days and produce both edible roots and greens. The cool temperatures of autumn enhance the sweetness of beets, making them a popular choice for a fall harvest. 9. Peas. Peas are a cool season crop that should be grown from seed in August. They prefer well-drained soil and full sun, but they will tolerate some shade. Peas typically mature in 60 to 70 days, making them ideal for a late fall harvest. At number 10, beans. Beans, particularly bush varieties, are a warm season crop that can be planted in August if the first frost occurs late enough. Beans should be grown from seed directly in the garden. They mature quickly, typically in 50 to 60 days, allowing you to enjoy a harvest before the first frost. Planting in August allows gardeners in Zones 6A and up to extend their growing season and have a productive fall garden. You can ensure a successful harvest by choosing the right vegetables and deciding whether to start with seeds or seedlings. Whether you're looking for leafy greens, root vegetables, or fast-growing crops like beans and peas, these 10 vegetables will thrive as summer transitions into fall. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening tips, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.